Have you heard of ragi, which is also referred to as finger millet or nachni? Do you know about the amazing health benefits of ragi? Do you know or have you ever wondered as to why ragi is referred to as a wonder grain? What is the nutritional content found in ragi and what is the best way to eat ragi? To get answers of all these questions, keep watching this video till the end. And so without delaying any further, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome again to Lifestyle Speaks channel. My name is Dr. Surangna and I make videos related to healthy living, nutritious foods and ways to bring inner peace for a healthier lifestyle. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon in the end to get latest updates from Lifestyle Speaks. Ragi is also known as finger millet or nachni and it is available all over the world. In the olden times, ragi was a staple food in traditional eating and people used to consume a lot of ragi. But then other grains took over and consuming ragi became less and lesser. However, in the recent times, ragi has made a comeback and people are including more of ragi in their diet, even in India. And this is because ragi is a whole grain which comprises of all three parts of the grain, which is your bran, germ and endosperm, as compared to the refined grains which contain only the endosperm. And this makes them more fibrous and rich in vital and essential macro and micronutrients that are otherwise lost in the refined grains during processing. Other than that, ragi is gluten-free, which makes it suitable for people with gluten intolerance. And it's extremely great option to be included in the diet for the purpose of healthy weight loss. There are so many amazing health benefits of ragi due to which it is considered as a wonder grain. They are basically small seeds with very big health benefits. Even ragi flour is very good for our health, which is made by crushing dried ragi grains or grinding them. But despite making a comeback, ragi has not been embraced by all of us and not been made a part of our diet yet. And this may be because we are still unaware about its health benefits. So let us know all about the nutritional content and health benefits of ragi, and hopefully we will include it more and more in our diet. Ragi has immense nutritional content and they contain a range of macro and micronutrients along with proteins, vitamins, minerals and essential fats, due to which sometimes it is also referred to as a superfood. The nutritional content found in 100 gram of ragi in flour form is 354 calories, 72.6 gram carbohydrates, which are mainly the good carbohydrates, 13 gram protein, 2.7 gram dietary fibers, 3.4 gram total fat, from which 0.7 gram is your saturated fats, 2 gram polyunsaturated fats and 0.7 gram of monounsaturated fats. They also contain 0 milligram cholesterol, 344 milligram calcium, 283 milligram phosphorus, 3.8 milligram iron, 137 milligram magnesium, 11 milligram sodium, 408 milligram potassium, 2.3 milligram zinc and 102 milligram polyphenol. In addition, ragi provides essential amino acids like leucine, isoleucine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan and valine, due to which they are great options for vegetarians and vegans. As seen in the nutritional content data, ragi is rich in calcium and it is one of the best non-dairy source of calcium as compared to the other grains. And calcium is very important for our body as it helps to provide strong bones and teeth and prevent osteoporosis, which is a disease where our bones get weak. And since ragi is rich in calcium, it is also very good food options for growing kids because it helps to strengthen their bones. The seed coat of ragi grain is loaded with fibers and polyphenols, which is much more than that found in the other grains. And this is so important because it helps to control our blood sugar levels. Also, ragi is low in glycemic index, and that is why it is slowly digested and absorbed in our body. And this causes very small fluctuations in our blood glucose and insulin levels, and it helps to keep our blood sugar levels in normal range. Ragi contains high amount of dietary fibers which keeps us full for a long time and prevents all unwanted cravings and overeating. And this is very important for weight loss. Also, ragi contains an amino acid called tryptophan, which is an appetite suppressant which helps in weight loss and preventing obesity. All foods which are made from this ragi grain are perfect food options to be included in the diet of people who want to lose weight in a healthy manner, because ragi is digested at a slow rate, which prevents us from intaking excessive calories. Ragi is low in cholesterol and sodium levels, due to which they are very good for our heart health. They contain good amounts of dietary fibers and niacin, which helps to increase good cholesterol or HDL levels and reduce bad cholesterol or LDL levels in our body. And this prevents the buildup of plaque or fat deposit in our heart vessels, which is very good for our heart. Also, they contain good amounts of potassium and magnesium, which helps to maintain normal heartbeat and helps to lower the risk of atherosclerosis. As ragi is rich in dietary fibers, it allows for proper digestion in our body by helping the intestine to digest foods more smoothly. And they also enhance bowel movement in our body by preventing constipation. And this makes them a very healthy food option. But it is important to know that whenever we consume ragi, we should also drink a lot of water. Not with our meal, but later on. And this is because ragi is known to retain water in our body for the purpose of waste excretion. Ragi is a very good source of natural iron, due to which they are great options for people with low hemoglobin levels and for preventing anemia, because they increase blood formation. Plus, they are a very good source of vitamin B1, which helps to increase the production of red blood cells in our body and helps to treat and prevent anemia. A very amazing health benefit of eating ragi is that it has been reported to be a natural relaxant for our body, which helps to keep us calm and stress-free. So when we consume ragi, it helps to reduce anxiety and depression in us and keeps us relaxed, because they contain neurotransmitter regulating properties, which helps to boost a positive state of mind. Ragi is a very good skincare ingredient because it contains amino acids like lysine and methionine, which prevents skin dullness, wrinkles, and aging. They also contain a lot of antioxidants, which helps to fight free radicals in our body, which reduces signs of aging and makes the skin look fresh and rejuvenated. Ragi also contains good amounts of vitamin E, which is very good for our skin. Ragi is also very good for our hair. As ragi is rich in proteins, they prevent hair fall and hair loss by strengthening our hair. They also prevent premature graying of the hair because they contain a lot of antioxidants that prevents oxidation of tissues, which otherwise results in graying of our hair. And also, ragi is known to increase blood flow and circulation in our body, which allows for good hair growth. Now we all know about the immense health benefits of ragi, so we should try to include more of it in our diet. The best part about ragi is that it can be easily consumed by people of all age groups, and they are just perfect options for people who want to include more of healthy food choices in their daily diet. Ragi is the perfect ingredient for many breakfast recipes like your ragi porridge, ragi dosa, ragi idlis, and ragi chilas, which gives a powerful kickstart to our day and also helps in healthy weight loss. Ragi can also be consumed in the form of rotis and chapatis, and they're really healthy options over rotis and chapatis which are made with your refined flour. So do include more of ragi in your diet, and if you're still confused and wondering whether you should eat ragi or not, just try it once and you will surely see the difference it brings into your life. So that's it for today. I really hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to give this video a like and comment below to share your thoughts. Love your life and make it charismatic. See you again next time. Stay healthy, stay happy, keep smiling, and keep watching Lifestyle Speaks.